Greetings from Department of Hotel Management, AJK College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. We are going to introduce AJKCAS Kitchens for All Seasons. It's a YouTube channel where we are going to telecast the recipes which are going to be prepared by the department. AJKCAS Kitchen for All Seasons will be there throughout all season, and you can learn a variety of dishes. This is an innovative practice which we have been introduced in our college by the Department of Hotel Management and Catering Science. We welcome you all to AJKCAS Kitchen for All Seasons YouTube channel.